You give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good, I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but I get too shy. Just me and you, what should I do? I used to be so quiet, like a flower on your wall, and everything around you made me feel like I was small. But then you said my name, now it feels so strange.
Good morning, you guys! Today is Thursday and I am filming a day in the life video. My day in the life is not what I expected it to be. I mean, I didn't forget that I put my name down, but I honestly assumed that I wouldn't be called into work today because I offered to like pick up for 4 hours and be the second break shift nurse. But in order to use a second break shift nurse, you have to have already 8 nurses on. And I just kind of felt like we were getting away with like 1 break shift nurse, so I wasn't gonna be used. But sure enough, I woke up and they're like, see you at 11. Now I feel like I have a lot to do because I'm gonna try to get as much as I possibly can get done in the next, well, it was like 3 hours, but now it's 2.5 hours. My life is like literally crazy because I had yesterday off, which was like a really fun break day. Now I'm gonna work for 4 hours. I mean, it doesn't seem like a lot, but when it's in the middle of your day, it just takes a little bit longer because, you know, I have to leave half an hour earlier by the time I get home. All the things on the to-do list. I also have dryland tonight that I'm supposed to be at right after I get off work, and then dinner at my friend's house too. You know, there's just not a lot of time. And then I offered to pick up tomorrow, which, you know I'm gonna be used now. It's fine. Now, if I work these 2 shifts this week, I know that for the rest of the year, the rest of December, I don't have to feel guilty about picking up or working because I'll just put in all the hours this week and it'll kind of even out the weeks. This morning, I already had breakfast. I'm gonna quickly make my to-do list and then I think I'm gonna get ready. And last night I spent hours packaging together everything I need to mail to people for Christmas. So I have like 5 packages that I need to take to the post office and I know it's gonna be crazy. So they open at 8:30. It's currently 7:53. So I'm gonna try to be there like as close to 8:30 as possible so I can get in line, mail the packages, and then come back here and continue to get my life together. That is the plan. Yeah, this is gonna be a crazy day. I'm gonna have to like pack all the outfits that I need for multiple occasions. Go to work and then need to change into a dryland outfit and then need to change into an outfit for dinner because I'm probably gonna drive straight there in the middle of traffic hours. It's gonna be a day. Let's just see how much we can get done. I'm gonna make my list.
Butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good, I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but I get too shy. Just me and you, what should I do? You give me butterflies, oh what a surprise. The thought of your kiss as the people walk by.
It is officially 8:30, so I am trying to get out the door and to the post office as soon as I can. I put on my work outfit because I was like, there's just no way that I'm changing more than 3 times today. I can only change outfits so many times. So I was like, we're just gonna wear this. I'm very pink and purple today, but I feel like it's fun. That's the great part about wearing scrubs is people will sort of look at you weird and then they're like, oh, you're like a healthcare professional, so I'm not gonna judge. Anywho, today we're dropping off this many packages, which is a lot, but I can carry them all in one load with my phone. I'm also gonna try to deal with this FedEx package that keeps trying to be delivered but is not. Online, it's not letting me mess with it, so maybe after I drop off the packages, I can call them and figure that out. Got my keys. Let's go to the post office. You guys, I beat the entire wait. I got in there, I didn't have to wait for anyone. The guy helped me and then I turned around when I left and there were 7 people behind me with like tons of packages. It all worked out. The cost was better than I thought. It ended up being for 5 packages $60 to $38. I was definitely expecting to spend over $100 and luckily everything but 1 package will get there by Christmas. Thank goodness. If I waited 1 more day to do this, I would be having to pay. He was like, you would have to pay a lot of money, and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so glad I got it done. And the one thing that's not getting there by Christmas, it doesn't matter. I don't think my friend's even gonna be home for Christmas, so it's just getting there like 2 days later, and it saved me a lot more money because I got the book rate. Overall, very happy that I got that done. I'm gonna try to call FedEx in my car to see what's up with that other package, like if I need to go pick it up, and then we're gonna see if I can stop by Target and do my Target errand there because I was gonna do it when I got off of work, like on my way to Dryland, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna be cutting it too close. I know that like as the day goes on, I'm gonna be more busy, so I might as well just try to cross off as much as I can this morning.
Thank you for calling FedEx office. Please choose from the following options. Speak to a representative about status of a shipment, delivery information, or claims. press 1. Are you calling from a cell phone?
Yes.
Tell me what I can help you with today.
Package tracking, door tag.
Sure. Tracking a package scheduled to be delivered tomorrow.
Customer
typically by
service.
8 p.m.
I want to talk to a person. At this point, I might as well just drive to the place because I'm not getting what I wanted. So I'm literally, it would be faster for me just to drive there and talk to them in person. Okay, now I need to also, when I go to Target, get this speaker because my absolute favorite speaker that has changed my life that I use for literally every activity I do, I left it on the field at dryland because it's pitch black dark and my speaker is like a dark blue, and I was working out with the kids and I completely left the speaker because it was not playing music at the time, so I just like forgot that I had put it out on the field. Since this was my mistake, I'm not gonna stress too much about it because this speaker lasted me for 7 years and it has gone with me everywhere and I've never lost it. So I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna take the L on this one. I redeemed like all my points from my bank to get a gift card to pay for it. So in girl math, it doesn't feel like money. They have it at the Target that I want. So I'm just gonna go to Target right now because I'm already halfway there, and then on the way back, maybe I can deal with this FedEx thing. It's only 9, so I still have an hour and a half before I need to leave for work. Let's go to Target. Everyone and their mother's at Target and it's literally 9 a.m. We have to get tape, wrapping paper, more gift tags because I'm not done wrapping all my Christmas stuff and I'm out of completely everything. Oh my God, I forgot my list of what I was gonna get. It's a bummer. Okay, well hopefully my mental list will suffice. We're home. Not as great of an experience at FedEx. Honestly, couldn't help me, couldn't tell me where the package was. They made me like put a vacation hold on and then they're like, yeah, hopefully they'll just deliver it here, but they couldn't confirm or deny. I don't know, it wasn't the greatest, so I have no idea where my other package is. At least I got these things done. Oh, and here's my list. Oh, I did forget something. I knew I would. I forgot the hangers that I was gonna get, but that's okay. These are the 2 choices of paper that I got. And then I got some more tissue paper. I got this bag because one of the presents I got from my dad is really difficult to wrap. My only like real frustration is I couldn't find ribbon that I liked. This is cute, like it's just a simple white like sheer. This was $6 and the kit that I was gonna get that had like options and things, that was $15, and I was like, there's no way I'm gonna spend $15 on ribbon, so I just got this one. Got some snacks for coaching this weekend if I need to reward the kids. Got my speaker, it was $20 off, so that's exciting. Got some small trash bags, some gift tags, more tape. This was expensive. This was $10 for 3 rolls of tape, but at least it'll last me for a long time and I needed that. That is what I got from the store. It's exactly 10 a.m. now, so I'm gonna leave in 30 minutes, so I need to compile all the things that I need for dryland, and I'm gonna open my speaker and everything, and then I need to eat a little something right before because I don't technically get a lunch break when I am there for only 4 hours, which makes sense. Like I think I only get a 15-minute break. Probably want to eat something. I'm so excited. I love this thing. Here she is. It's a little bit of a different color than my other one, but I like it because it's actually a little bit brighter so you can see it better. So hopefully I won't lose it again. My other one was a little bit darker. I got all my stuff together for the rest of the day that we need, and now I'm ready to eat a little something before work. And luckily this video is sponsored by Factor. I have my Factor meal that I can heat up in 2 minutes. I don't know what I would do without them because my schedule is so crazy, as you can tell, that I sometimes just don't have time to prepare food, but I need to eat. So this is literally ready in 2 minutes. I'm gonna pop it in the microwave. Factor delivers fresh, never frozen meals right to your doorstep. They have a variety of plans and options, tons of selection. There's over 35 meals to choose from each week, and they also have awesome add-ons like their fresh pressed juices. These are my favorite. I'm gonna actually bring this to work. This is the Factor Gut Greens Cucumber Pineapple Spinach Cold Pressed Juice, and these are really good. These are probably some of my favorite add-ons that Factor has. They're just really convenient, especially like at work. I like to be drinking something different and to stay hydrated throughout the day. If you guys wanna try Factor for yourself heading into this new year to mix up your routine and help give you some more time in your own life, then head to factor75.com or click the link in my description and use my code Kiara50 for 50% off your first box plus free shipping. That's code Kiara50 for 50% off your first box plus free shipping. Today we picked out the sun-dried tomato chicken with the zucchini noodles. I love this one. If you guys want to know my other favorite, oh, it's already ready. Well, if you want to know my other favorites, these 2 are also delicious. This is the peanut Buddha bowl and the vegetarian tamale bowl. Well, let's get our food. All right, lunch is ready. We're gonna go try this out. We gotta get some zoodles in here. Long zoodles. I love that their stuff just tastes like a home-cooked meal. Okay, I'm gonna finish eating this really quickly and then let's head to work.
Saw your silhouette in the backlight. Swear we could have met in a past life. Dreaming every night.
Okay, that was crazy. That shift was only 4.5 hours and yet I feel like it was 8. Gosh, everyone was so busy and those are just the days that are really hard because it's hard to support people as break shift nurse and then the breaks are hard timing wise. So anyway, we're gonna go straight to dryland because now we're out a little late because it was 4.5 hours instead of 4 hours. Dryland starts in 22 minutes and I'm supposed to get there in exactly 21 minutes. So let's see if we can go be on time.
Can waste my time. If that's what you wanna do, oh, I don't mind. If all that you say is not true, oh, I don't mind. I just wanna end all my days, end all my
Home. Oh my gosh, I am so tired. Finally hit my wall, but it was so fun to have dinner at Katie's house and to see all of her family and just like hang out with everyone, and I just love all of those people with my whole heart. That was a treat, and I just brought up my Christmas packages for my aunt and uncle, so I think I might get them out of their box and just put them in front of like my little Christmas area, and then I'm gonna get ready for bed and lay out all of my stuff, make my lunch for tomorrow because I'm so tired, and I just got a text from my church nurse saying that they're probably gonna use me at work tomorrow. This is just a big work week for me, but it's gonna be fun. This is my Christmas area, so I'm gonna bring this stuff over here. Traditionally, my aunt is really good at wrapping gifts, so it'll be kind of fun to see what sort of wrapping stuff she has picked out. Lots of cute stuff. Her wrapping is just literally unmatched. It's so beautiful. This is like so much stuff. I don't even know where to put it. So nice of them. My aunt and uncle are so sweet. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, there's so many sweet little goodies. Oh, I love their paper. Like the red is so classic and beautiful. You can't even see it. It's that big. I love when they reuse the wrapping paper that I gave them last year. This is the wrapping paper that I gave them, but we love to see. Wow. Okay, success. I'm feeling very spoiled by them. This is like a combo of pretty much all my Christmas gifts that I've wrapped for others and from my aunt and uncle, and then I still have an entire section over here of like unwrapped things. Now that I finally got some more wrapping paper today, I can finish wrapping. That's a good task for me to do after work when I'm tired because it's relaxing for me, and so I enjoy doing it. Breaking down the boxes here. That was on my to-do list to take out the recycling, but I'm so tired. I just think it's one of those things that's not gonna get done today. Oh well, we tried. I'm like, where do I even begin? Let's pack a lunch. This should be pretty easy because I'm just gonna pack a Factor. I already have apples cut up. Relatively easy. Got all my snack stuff pretty much already in there. Garlic herb chicken breast with broccoli, apples, cheese. I decorated these cookies yesterday with my friends, so I think I'm gonna bring some. Just like 2 little ones for me to munch on. There's so many treats at work right now during the holidays, which is so sweet when families bring us stuff. There's tons of sugar at work. Now I just need to lay out my outfit for tomorrow and then wash my face, brush my teeth, and then go to bed. I'm going to bed early tonight. It's exactly 10. My goal is to be in bed by 10:15.
Saw your silhouette in the backlight. Swear we could have met in a past life. Dreaming every night like the last time. So I end all my days with you.
We did it. We are in bed by 10:15. Feels amazing. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed coming along on this kind of busy, fun, productive day in my life. And if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to check out Factor down below. You can use my code Kiara50 to get 50% off your first box plus free shipping at factor75.com. Today's question of the day is gonna be, what has been your favorite memory thus far this holiday season? Mine has been spending time with like just incredible humans and hearing about their life updates and just getting to have fun, quality, special time with them. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you in a video very soon. Good night.
I have to live a little louder. No, I ain't gonna end up like the man trying to figure figure out the man who got it figured out. I just bought me a new condo, and in the same year I moved back home. Guess the 20s ain't as friendly as a place where you were born.